Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes Novo to transfer money. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the nitty-gritty, I want to take a moment to talk about what Novo is. Novo is a fintech company that offers a variety of financial services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and business banking. One of the things that makes Novo unique is that it offers instant transfers. This means that you can send and receive money instantly, 24/7, 365 days a year. Now, let's get to the question at hand. How long does Novo take to transfer money? The answer is, it depends. There are a few factors that can affect the transfer time, including the type of transfer. There are two types of transfers that you can make with Novo: internal transfers and external transfers. Internal transfers are between your Novo accounts, while external transfers are to or from other accounts. Internal transfers are typically instant, while external transfers can take up to 1 to 3 business days. The recipient's bank. If the recipient of your transfer is using a bank that is not part of the Novo network, it can take up to 5 business days for the transfer to be processed. The amount of the transfer. Larger transfers may take longer to process. The time of day that you initiate the transfer. Transfers that are initiated after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time may not be processed until the next business day. In general, you can expect your transfer to be processed within 1 to 3 business days. However, there may be some delays, especially if the recipient's bank is not part of the Novo network. Here are a few tips to help you speed up your transfers. Initiate your transfers early in the day. This will help to avoid delays. Use internal transfers whenever possible. Internal transfers are typically instant, so they are the fastest way to send and receive money. Make sure that the recipient's bank information is correct. Incorrect information can delay your transfer. Follow up with the recipient if their transfer is delayed. This will help to ensure that the transfer is processed as quickly as possible. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips and advice. I would also love to hear from you in the comments section below. What are your experiences with Novo? Have you had any issues with transfers? I would love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.